Hi kids!
Whoa!
One, two, three, four. 4 lollipops. So colorful lollipops. Let's separate their parts.
Whoa!
Light blue color, pink color. Again light blue color. And the stick is pink color. This is also pink color.
No.
This is our second lollipop. Violet color, yellow color. Again violet color. Do you like to eat lollipop, kids? Third lollipop, light green color, yellow color. What flavor do you like most, kids? My favorite flavor is orange. Our last lollipop, fourth lollipop, light pink color, light green color, again light pink. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will join their parts again. No.
Hiya! Whoa!
Now keep it aside. Let's join the second one.
Hiya!
Our last lollipop. Do you enjoy it, kids?
No.
Today we will learn alphabets. Wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Red color. This is our first color pen. Our second color is sky blue. Third color is green. Our fourth color is purple. Fifth color is pink. What is your favorite color, kids? Sixth color is yellow. Seventh color is light green. Our next color, eighth color, is orange. And our last color, ninth color, is blue. So we have 9 color pens. Let's write alphabets. Red. A. A for aeroplane. A for also armadillo. Green. B. B for bus. B for also banana. Purple. C. C for cauliflower. C for also canary. Blue. D. D for door. D for also dog. Pink. E. E for elephant. E for also eraser. Orange. F. F for fruits. F for also fox. You know that fox is a very clever animal. Yellow. G. G for goat. G for also gorilla. Sky blue. H. H for heart. H for also hen. Our last color is light green. I. I for ink pot. I for also ice cube. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.